Sergeant Gadriel serves as a member of the Ultramarines chapter during the era Indomitus. A reliable junior officer in service to 2nd Company Captain Sevastus Akaran. For many years, this reliable scion of the Avengers of Ultramar led his company with honor and distinction until the dawn of the Fourth Tyrannic War. His command usurped by Lieutenant Demetrian Titus with his return from his secondment to the Chamber Militant of the Ordo Xenos, the Death Watch, sitting ill within the heart of this proud warrior. Supported by his comrade-in-arms, Brother Chiron, as jealousy and resentment began to fester within his heart, though Gadriel attempted to ingratiate himself with his new commander, Titus's cold demeanor proved difficult to contend with. Deployed to the jungle world of Kadaku during the Residius campaign, Gadriel's rigid adherence to the tenets of the living Primarch, the Codex Astartes, began to be tested as Titus's orders contravened the wisdom of the Avenging Sun. Uncovering insight into the clandestine Adeptus Mechanicus project known as Aurora, Gadriel deciphered Titus's involvement due to his prior service liberating the planet of Graia. Continuing his service within Squad Titus as they redeployed to the hive world of Avarax, Gadriel witnessed the loss of Brother Chiron's noble mentor, veteran Sergeant Varellus, and his subsequent disobedience to follow Titus's commands. His doubts at Titus's leadership continuing to burgeon, though their squad managed to aid in the purge of the Tyranid menace from the Residius campaign. The arrival of Chaos forces further compounded Gadriel's suspicion of his commander. Confronting Titus within the Astropath chamber of Neoma, aspersions that Titus intended to imperil their chapter master, Marneus Calgar, caused Gadriel to draw his weapon against his squad leader. The actions of Chiron, revealing the manipulations of Sorcerer Lord Imura to be influencing Gadriel's actions. Once more humbled, the sergeant swallowed his pride and deferred to the teachings and example of Titus. Joining Marneus Calgar as he rallied the 2nd Company upon the cemetery world of Demirium, while they confronted the armies of Tzeentch, Gadriel followed Titus's lead as he and Chiron charged into a portal after their advancing chapter master. Busying the Lord of Change within, as Titus struggled to reach the Sorcerer Lord's summoning ritual, Gadriel witnessed Titus destroy the son of Magnus before banishing the forces of Chaos from Demirium. Proud to have fought by the side of such a venerated hero of the Ultramarines, Gadriel's heart swelled with pride during the ceremony presided by Calgar, wherein Titus received the laurels of victory. Wishing Demetrian well as he embarked upon pressing new missions of the utmost importance, Gadriel would never forget his time spent with Titus as he learned of his own weaknesses, which he resolved to diminish. His responsibilities as a promising potential leader of his chapter's future bolstered thanks to the example of the hero of Graia.